The Brazilian consensus on genetic modified cells, CAR T cells, in fact, is an initiative of the Brazilian Hematology and Hemotherapy Association. I think it's important because in this scenario, I can mention the regulatory framework from Anvisa. I can mention the pharmaceutical companies with their products. I can mention the academic research and development. I can mention the Brazilian health system that is private, but also is public. You have a mixed system, health system in Brazil. So, and the other important part we didn't have yet, but now you have, was the opinion of our association to the experts that would be treating patients in Brazil. So the Brazilian community of experts in advanced cell therapy and CAR T cells and also bone marrow transplantation and hematologists and other, they are working with 64 experts to discuss during 3 days and then develop the first Brazilian consensus on genetic modified cells. So in this scenario, you have many important players, as I've just mentioned here. And this part of the Brazilian Association was not done yet. So this was a very important step because the Brazilian expert, together with American experts, they decide to write some articles, 11 articles, to point and establish the benchmark of advanced cell therapy in our country, what is very similar to the other countries in terms of science and patients management and indications of the treatment. That I believe it could be also reference to the other countries in the Latin America. I guess the Brazilian Association of Hematology, Hemotherapy and Cell Therapy, together they are interested to work not only for Brazil, but also to the other countries in the continent. And this Brazilian consensus could be a reference for all the other countries that you can make contacts or make relations, collaborations with the Brazilian Association of Hematology, the ABHH, you call it here. So the ABHH is very open to bring the consensus to other countries in the continent. So I guess it was a very important step for the scientific community, for the physicians and all the other health workers, and also and mainly for the patients. So we are very happy with the results of this job, this work.